Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linkings. Welcome to our step by step tutorial on how to draw a realistic girl. Grab your sketchbook and pencils and let's get started. Begin by lightly sketching an oval shape for the head. Keep the lines soft, we will refine them later. Divide the oval with a vertical and horizontal line to help position the facial expression. Next, add horizontal lines to mark where the eyes, nose, and mouth will go. The eyes are typically placed halfway down the head, the nose about halfway between the eyes and chin, and the mouth a third of the way above the chin. Now, let's focus on the eyes. Start by shading the eyelids and then add the irises and pupil. Remember to capture the light reflection for a realistic look. Moving on to the nose. Next, draw the mouth. Start with a soft line for the lips, ensuring the upper lip is slightly thinner than the lower lip, and subtle curves to create a natural expression. Now, let's sketch the hair. Start with the general shape and flow, then add individual strands. Remember, hair has volume, so don't flatten it out. Go back and refine the eyes, nose, and mouth. Add details like eyelashes and shading to bring depth to the features. Next, sketch the neck and shoulder. The neck should be proportional to the head. Add gentle curves for a more natural look. Let's add some clothing. Sketch in the neckline and shoulders of a top and consider adding accessories like earring or a necklace. Finally, go over your drawing, darkening the lines you want to keep, erase any unnecessary guidelines, and add shading to give dimensions to the face and hair. And there you have it, a realistic sketch of a girl. Practice makes perfect, so keep refining your techniques. Thanks for joining this tutorial and happy drawing.